Did you know that one of history's most famous saints was once burned alive as a heretic? On May 30th, 1431, 19-year-old Joan of Arc was dragged to the marketplace in Rouen. 10,000 people packed the square to watch her die. The English executioner had prepared something truly evil. Instead of dry wood for a quick death, he piled green timber that would burn slowly and create choking smoke. Joan's terror was visible as flames began licking at her feet. Her screams echoed across the silent crowd as fire consumed her legs. She begged desperately for water and cried out to Jesus. The smoke made her suffering even worse, prolonging her agony for what felt like hours. But the English weren't done. Paranoid that people might worship her remains, they raked through her ashes. When they found her heart mysteriously intact, they burned everything again until nothing remained. Here's the incredible twist. 500 years later, the same church that condemned her declared Joan of Arc a saint. The girl they burned as a heretic became one of Christianity's most beloved martyrs.